In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email address to Yahoo Mail. Now to do this, first you want to go to Yahoo Mail, then you want to go to the bottom left and click on More over here, and you want to click on Settings. From inside Settings, you want to go to Mailboxes, which is the second tab up top left over here in this panel, and then here you can see Mailbox List. Now this is going to be your default one, or of course if you have multiple, it means you've added multiple already. And if you want to add a new one, just click on this Add button over here, and then you want to select your email provider. So as you can see, you have Google, you have Outlook, you have AOL, and then you have Yahoo as well. So for example, if I want to do Outlook, I can just click on over here, and I can type in the Outlook email address. So in my case over here, I'm actually going to do my email address over here. So I can just show you how this is done. So I'm going to do instant how to at outlook.com because I do have that email address. I'm going to hit the next button, and there we go. It's going to open a pop-up, and it's going to prompt you to log in with the service provider. So for me, it's Outlook. I'm actually going to accept all of these things over here. And once I accept these, it's going to be the same for Google or whatever over here. It's going to basically add your address. Okay, so if it happens like it did over here where it says canceled connecting, sometimes there may be some interruptions. So we can just go ahead and relaunch this window. And then when you do relaunch your window, you can then go ahead and confirm it again, and hopefully it's going to work. Now, sometimes you may also have to go back, and then when you go back from here, you can cancel this and just basically restart. So just kind of refresh the website, and then you should be able to do this. Sometimes it does happen, of course, with some providers if there's an interruption in connection, but that's essentially how to add an email address to Yahoo Mail. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.